Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can copy and paste video attributes from one video to another. For instance, I have these two videos. I'm going to edit this one first. And I am going to go to adjustments and I'm going to adjust it a little bit to how I want the video to be. Like so. And maybe add in like a filter or something like that to it. And then here I want to copy and paste this video's like adjustments and filters to this one. So just simply right click, copy attributes, go to the next video and just select paste attributes. Select everything or not and press paste, and then that is pretty much it really. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. We'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!